Guess who got brands talking? brandlive.co.za.
You're listening to our socialtv.co.za newsfeed. My name is Sam Marshall. Our top stories. First African Drone and Data Academy opens in Malawi and new malaria vaccine launched. The first African Drone and Data Academy opened in Lilongwe, Malawi. The move is part of efforts to promote the use of drones in programs and services that will impact the lives of children and young people, according to UNICEF. Building on the work of Africa's first humanitarian corridor launched in Malawi in 2017, the Academy will develop expertise in the use of drones for humanitarian development and commercial purposes across the continent through a 12-week course. It plans to train approximately 150 students to build and pilot drones by 2021. The curriculum has been developed in partnership with Virginia Polytechnic Institute and State University, that's Virginia Tech, following its successful delivery of training workshops in Malawi since 2017. By 2022, the Academy will run a tuition-free 2-year master's degree program in drone technology in conjunction with Malawi University of Science and Technology. Staying in Malawi, Malawi is one of 3 African nations, including Ghana and Kenya, that have been chosen to pilot the new vaccine, which took some 30 years to develop. The World Health Organization, WHO, Coordinated Malaria Vaccine Implementation Program is a collaborative effort with the ministries of health in those 3 countries. The mosquito-borne disease kills hundreds of thousands of people a year, the vast majority of them in Africa. Named RTS, it's the world's first malaria vaccine that has been shown to provide partial protection against malaria in young children, according to the WHO. In a clinical trial, children who received doses of the vaccine had a lower chance of developing malaria as well as developing severe malaria. A study showed the vaccine prevented about 4 in 10 cases among children, and overall there were 29% fewer cases of severe malaria in those who received the vaccine. The vaccine requires 4 shots for children starting from about age 5 months to 2 years. The pilot program, expected to last until the end of 2022, now aims to reach some 360,000 children per year across the 3 countries. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa told mourners at the official state funeral of entrepreneur Richard Maponya that he would work to develop a youth entrepreneurship academy in the businessman's honor. The state funeral took place at the University of Johannesburg Soweto campus. Maponya passed away after a short illness. Maponya was held in high regard by South Africa's business community for, among other things, building the 650 million Maponya Mall in Soweto in the south of Johannesburg and for supporting youth entrepreneurship. Ramaphosa said one of Maponya's finest qualities was his sense of civic duty and initiative, adding that the businessman was not one to wait for government to solve the challenges he saw in his society. He urged the South African business community to assume its role as social partners in South African society as opposed to spectators and observers. Staff at the Michael Mpongwana Day Clinic in Harare, Khayelitsha, say they are battling with an influx of patients. This follows a burglary at the Kiyasa Clinic, which forced the facility to shut its doors to most patients. Thieves used a crowbar to enter the clinic and got away with several items, including new computers. The uninterrupted power supply UPS cabinet was damaged. The cost of the damage is yet to be confirmed. Zahid Badruddin, MACO member for Community Services and Health, said the break-in was a significant setback for health services in the area. Kiyasa Community Day said